So is this where I say, congratulations, you just bought a property? What happens next? So if you bought the property, congratulations, you sign the contract and pay your deposit. You've already done all the hard work, so yay. If the home was passed in, so it didn't reach the seller's reserve, they might just be wanting too much money, and that's fine, there'll always be another home. You could tell the sales agent that you'd like to make an offer in writing now. This may be accepted and will give the seller some hope. If you're still at the auction, the home was passed in, you can talk to the sales agent and say, well, I'd like to make an offer. It'll obviously still be under auction conditions, but it'll be something the sales agent can take into the seller. And the sales agent will try and do everything humanly possible to sell the home on auction day. After auction negotiations, the seller is generally more nervous than the buyers, just remember this. Negotiate for the best price if the auction is passed in. Ask, what does the seller want now? Ask those very words. What does the seller want now? It reframes the situation for the sales agent. Another tip is don't go inside to negotiate. Say, no, I'll stand out here, I'm fine. The weather's fine, I'm in the shade, I'm fine. You can then stand outside and watch who's hanging around. Has everyone left? Are you the only one left? Is there another person standing over there that could also be interested in negotiating? So hang around and see what happens. If you're the only person staying behind to negotiate, you could try to stand in a position where the seller can see you through a window, if possible. When they recognize you as a genuine buyer, it brings the reality of the situation home for them. They can visualize you as someone who could easily just drive away, which can influence their perspective at this point. So they are talking to the sales agent, you're the only buyer left, you're standing out there in front of the house, the home could sell today or you could leave. And that is quite tempting. And the sales agent will be trying to get that sale across today. Disappointment. When you're feeling the disappointment of losing out on your dream home, it's important to be cautious. As you're in a vulnerable position, you might be tempted to purchase the next home you come across just to escape your feelings of pain. Exercise caution. You may not conduct your research as thoroughly on the next home because your emotions are guiding your decisions. That concludes our module on auctions. I hope that you found it valuable. I can't wait to hear feedback from you on how you went at your auction. Thanks so much. I'll see you in another video.